Don't let snoring keep you up at night. Internal nasal dilators may help you to stop snoring. Although not many people use their noses to snore, it does happen. Nasal dilators are constructed to fit right into the nasal passages, and work to keep them open. This can help those who snore. It is important to reduce your snoring, as others will also be impacted. In order to quit snoring, you may want to think about making use of nasal strips that can be placed on the nose prior to sleeping. You may think they look silly, but they might reduce your snoring, which will lessen the annoyance of your snoring of those around you so these benefits far outweigh anything negative. Find out more about stop snoring remedies today.